Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery result with 1 year post-op with before and after photo on a patient with a class 5-6 hair loss pattern. Currently around 5. So we do around 4,000 something, 45 I think, somewhere around there. And this is what he looked like before, filling from the front all the way toward the back. Rebuilt his hairline, lower his hairline, and filling from the front all the way toward the back. You can see how excellent the result is. Top view. And a top view. See from the front all the way toward the back, that's from 5. He has some hair here, but it's really fine, and this is what he has, a full set of hair. Hair transplant is an art form. It requires a lot of artistic and aesthetic detail to ensure a very natural result, and that's before. And this is what it is. From the eyebrow to the hairline is around 7 centimeters. He has a semi-narrow face. The more narrow face, the more arched back the hairline. The more around the face, the more flat the hairline. So he's somewhere in the middle. So, and then zigzag, no hairline straight. So a lot of rows and single hair graft in the front, followed by root to go 2 hair, 3 hair, and 4 hair in the back for both in volume. For more information, you can go to my website at www.mhtaclinic.com. Click on the before and after icon on my website, or call 1-866-999-6482, or you can go to my YouTube channel, Diep. There's over 2,000 videos. And you can see the before and after. Again, before and after. Class 5-6 hair loss pattern. Top view, you can see how dense, fully dense and natural. And with a full set of hair and a lower hairline, his look has changed. He's not only gained 10 to 20 years of his youth back, but gaining his look back. The hairline, when you frame the face, it really brings out your eyes, your nose, and hand, all the features that God created for you. Thank you.